Nice harvest today. First thing we're going to do is take these two regular eggplants and these three Japanese eggplants, or Ichiban. We're going to smoke them. First part of the recipe is going to be smoked baba ganoush. Delicious. Okay, got the eggplant loaded up in the smoker. Masterbuilt smoker, vertical. I really like this. Set it and forget it. Grill. I usually roast it on my Weber grill, but I tried this one time smoking it. Amazing flavor. So I'm going to set that and let it run for an hour or two till it softens up and gets a nice smoke. I call it eggplant baba ganoush. That's sort of the name for eggplant, but it's basically a hummus, but it's instead of chickpeas and tahini, it's eggplant tahini. And the key is to get it super smooth, not all lumpy like some organic shops sell it. It's kind of gruel. It's supposed to be really smooth like a butter, and using more tahini than most recipes call for. Looking good. Cooking right up. Sweating. There they are. Just off the smoker. I'm going to cover them with some cling wrap. Let them sit in here and cool off. Steam a little bit more. We put those insides of the eggplant in here. Mushed them up. Added some salt, cayenne, cumin, lemon juice. And we're going to make it smoother. And we're going to add a cup of tahini and some oil and garlic. There's a garlic sauteed in olive oil. That's going in next. Okay, we got the onions from the garden and the mint and the basil. I guess we'll add some. And this is the roasted eggplant hummus baba ganoush. It's really nice. Got a little salt, tiny bit of salt, cumin, some cayenne pepper we made from the garden too. Very tasty. Okay, here's the smoked eggplant. We had some much bigger cucumbers that would have made better boats, but we have eaten them. Okay, next we're gonna actually put paprika on that. I suppose we're just making this up as we go. Some tomatoes. They're really sweet this year. We have sweet 100s and grape tomatoes mixed together. Organic style. Nothing like picked off the vine and eaten. After a little chill in the refrigerator. Okay. That's sweet onion too. Sweet white onion. That on there. Smoke those eggplants for an hour and a half. Smoke roasted them. Had them on high heat. Okay. A little mint on here. I'm not going to chop it up because it degrades too fast and not everybody likes mint like I do. You can pick it off if you don't like it. And a couple pieces of basil. Let's get on a dash of olive oil. That's sweet basil also. Whoops, I rinsed that off. We have some lemon in the eggplant, so I'm not going to add more. There we go. There's our cucumber boats with smoked eggplant, sweet onion, sweet tomato, mint, and basil.